The present darkness na ay promise at Ginoo. Okay? It's
And I finally realized that I never just looked at that couch
On solid rock, on firm foundation, take all we can take it. On that shake and shaking, I stand on solid rock, on firm foundation. Freedom is breaking, breaking chains of the hopeless heart. Take over my heart, it's too very hard to be captivated till I can see your heart.
naghatag sa puno, muabot sa imo, ug mubalik sa iya, na naay siguradong nahitabo sa imo. Hindi pwedeng wala. Sa una kala mo wala, but no. You also read that God's word is like a sower sowing seeds. And when you sow seeds, it takes time to grow. And it also needs fertile soil. Inana, ang ulong sa Ginoo, ang gingon sa Ginoo, it will come to you, but it will come back to him, mission accomplished. Why? Because again, it comes. Allow God's word to your life. And see it stream. Now your faith. I promise you I will learn from my mistakes. You are my confidence in you alone. No, I will boast in you alone. My confidence in you alone. I will boast in you alone. My confidence in you alone. Oh, I will boast in you alone.
Name. You see, God sees something beautiful in you that you yourself do not see. Am I preaching to somebody in this room? Hindi mo nakikita, pero si Lord, kitang-kita niya how beautiful you are and how
Christ is my blood, my